And this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm finally here with a drawing for the challenge we did last month for the Lavender and Lace challenge, and the challenge was to make an envelope folio. I made this folio. It's hard to get in frame because I have my computer set up to do the name picker wheel thingy. I can't put it any different, but there's a flip through of this. I can show it like this. There's a flip through of this journal in the playlist Lavender and Lace, making I think it's called Making an Altered Book Folio, but I will link it at the end of this video, the playlist, so you can see, because I also have the process. There are design team members that work with this kit from Cara Brandon and from LineDotArrow, and it was a challenge in HCC, Cara Brandon and Friends, and in LineDotArrow Facebook group. And Cara and I made these kits together. She had a half in her Etsy, well, she still has, and I have the other half in my Etsy store. And yeah, and the challenge was to make, like I said, an envelope folio, something like that. And each post with the hashtag is worth 1 entry in the name pickers wheel. And I'm going to spin for 3 prizes. The first prize is 2 digitals from my shop. The second prize is 2 digitals. Am I saying it right? Third prize 3, second prize 2, and the third prize is 1. Yeah, I'm going to draw first prize first, then second, then third. And I know Cara has a giveaway too with her kids, and there is also a giveaway in HCC, the other Facebook group, and that's a combination of both our kids. Depending who wins, they can win 1 kit of their choice from the LDA or for Cara and from Cara Brandon. So yeah, I'm going to set up the rest of the computer so you can see the wheel, and we are going to spin for the prizes. But before I do that, I want to thank Cara for doing this collaboration with me, for making a kit with me. I want to thank her design team members for working very hard, and they made a lot of beautiful things with the kit. I'm still catching up, so I'm not there yet. For all the members of her group, for HCC, the ladies of HCC, well, especially Tabitha because it's her group, but also Stacy. They are both in my design team, and they did a marvelous job too. For all the members in their group, for the members in LineDotArrow, and also for all the design team members that did a lot of, well, everybody was so into this challenge. It was like exploding. I had a blast. I really enjoyed it. So thank you very much, everyone. I really appreciate, well, your support and your enthusiasm, and your work, creating your work and sharing it with us, with me, but also with everybody else. Okay, let's do the spinning. 1 moment, please. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see because apparently it's very bright. Let me change the settings of the screen a little. 1 moment. Okay, I'm not sure if this is better, but yeah, I have, I think, 132 entries, so it's also very small, and normally it's bigger, but I'm going to spin. Sorry, I just had to check the sound, but here we go. I'm going to spin for the first prize, and the person's name that is selected is going to win 3 kits from LineDotArrow of their choice. If you do win, please send me a message, because in the email it's got lost. I receive so many emails each day. It's hard to keep up with people texting me for their prizes. So here we go. So sorry, there was a glitch with the lighting, but here we go for the first spin. And the first prize goes to Robin Trader. You are the winner of the first prize. You have 3 digitals from my shop. Congratulations. And yeah, I'm going to remove Robin from the wheel. And let's do the next spin. This is for the second prize. 2 kits from my Etsy. 2 digitals. And the winner of the 2 digitals, the second prize, is Linda Long Adams. Congratulations, Linda, you won. Send me a message and let me know which kit you want to receive, and I will send them to you. I'm going to remove Linda from the screen. And now we are going to spin for the third prize, and that's 1 digital from my shop. And the winner of the third prize is Naomi Shaw. You won 1 digital from my shop. Congratulations. And yes, I'm going to switch over to the desk now. One moment. So this was the winner's drawing for the Lavender and Lace challenge. What I've been up to in the meantime, well, I had some issues that I had to fix. Sorry, I had to adjust the camera a little. Some personal issues, but they are fixed. And I have been working on these, and I'm not sure what these are. I was inspired by a piano roll, the piano paper roll, and I was making this while I was designing. In between designing, I'm doing other stuff usually. And I made this from one of the shacks, the invoices, the faux French invoices, and I did like a roll, a book roll. Yeah, I'm not sure if I like it. I thought maybe I can put it on front of a book with a ball pin and put some dangles over here, but it's just to try out. And I also have this one. And this one I made from packaging. The paper is packaging paper, a little bit smaller, and I added beads and a little eyelet here, and I thought maybe I can put a button on top and pull strings through, and with beads and everything. But this one I try to mimic the, as you can see, I don't have the same shapes because obviously they are rectangles, but I had made punches with a hole punch, little circles, and on this side I also did some stitching, and I embellished just a little. This one is a little bit longer and a little bit thinner, and yeah, that's what I've been doing. And I thought maybe this is fun to put on a journal as a dangle, and you can take it off. Something like that. It's just an experiment, but if you are curious, if you want to see how I made it, leave a comment and I can do a little video on how I did it. And we can do it. Like I said, it's not complete because it needs dangles and attachment to put on your journal, but I thought, well, maybe it can go on the front cover of a journal. It would be nice. And you can take it off. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. and also designing papers for the next month, because next month we're going to do another collab too, and I'm really excited about this one too. But yeah, this is it for today. So please let me know what kit you want to receive. To all the winners and to everybody that joined in, thank you very much again. I really, really had a lot of fun, and I'm still having a lot of fun. I'm trying to catch up on all the videos. So yeah, quickly going to edit this video so you can see. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a comment if you want to, like, subscribe. Stay safe, stay creative, and I hope to see you next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.